Oh, we should be ready to go. All right. So this one should be relatively easy to finish because I'm not doing a male figure around here. Because we still need a flat spot for this to sit, right? Right. What's up, Victus? How are you, brother? How koe, my bro? There we go. Why is this throwing me off? I think it's the mold. Alright, yeah, that's better. Fuck, that was throwing me right off, chat. Hey, Zay, how are you? Hey, descendant of Prophet Muhammad. Thank you very much for joining us on YouTube, brother. Yeah, I think I got it now. How are you, Zay? What's up, cracking now? So we just finished the female side of this piece yesterday. So you can see we've got the head there. You can't really see the body due to the timber, the legs on the side, and we have Hinemoa's calabashes that she used to swim as well, just 3. And in between we have done some manaya as well. Done some manaya around the side too. You probably can't really see them that well due to the sun. Yeah, done some manaya around the side. Tried to do them in like a swimming form, like a swimming pose. So yeah, we got this done yesterday. Just go onto the Discord and then you'll see you'll pretty much see my name in the server list. Just go onto the community one and then you'll see it. Cheers, radio. So to those that are new and just seeing this piece, this is representing the story of Hinemoa and Tutanikoi. Now, Hinemoa is an ancestor of mine that swam the 3-mile journey in the dead of night to be with her loved one, even though she wasn't really allowed to, due to like tribal social differences. But she couldn't row a canoe, so what she did instead was, you know, tie hue or calabashes to her, and she swam. Yeah, she swam to her. So we've done that side, and we're just doing the male representation side now. We were gonna carve today, but the backpack was not playing along today. I don't know why. And I couldn't move the car to the carport or the truck because it's got a flat battery. Feels good, man. So we're inside. We're inside and we're gonna get some mahi done while listening to the new Matatini album. How many? Dangerous? Not really. There's no dangerous creatures in the water here. Oh. Hold on, chat. Go. What's up, Balloon? Morena, my bro. Morena. How are you? How are you, my bro? Just sorting our lines out, chat. How you been, Zoe? How you been, though? Yo, Ray Dubois, what's up, brother? Oh, and everyone else in both chats as well. Hope Whippy's been good too. I haven't really been able to drop into one of his streams lately. Celery Man, thank you for the 4 months, my bro. Thank you very much for getting us started on our daily sub goal as well, brother. Appreciate you, my bro. Thank you, Celery Man. Oh dear. Kawawata noa. Kawawata noa. How's your Friday going? Oh, good, brother. Oh, a bit of a shit start, but you know, we push through, brother. We push through. Yeah, she was a bit of a rough start this morning, my bro, but it's all good. Morena, Chris. Kia ora, my bro. I'm gonna lie, chat. This Matatini album ain't hitting, eh? Oh, there's more than one. Okay. You know, this Matatini album is not hitting for me. I ain't gonna lie. I'd rather just play the items off the website. Got any gear, any green to wear next Monday? I haven't even planned that far ahead, other than making kids' school lunches. Is it St. Patrick's Day? Oh, it is St. Patrick's Day. Nah. I'll be honest. I probably won't do anything. Me and my family trying to save right now for a house in the long run. And I'll be honest. I don't even drink. Oh, I I drink beer, but not so much these days. I kind of lost interest in drinking around. Fuck, when did I stop drinking? When I was 25. 25 was you and I started losing interest in just drinking altogether, really. And I just started, focusing on other things. Just stuff some grass and Do you travel? Not anymore. Last time I traveled was BlizzCon. When was the last BlizzCon? Not last year, the year before. I had to turn down a trip to Sydney next month. As for World of Warcraft, I can't. I'm not really trying to do anything next month because that's the birth month for my daughter. For mine and my wife's next baby. Yo, kid.
Morena, my bro. Hope you have an awesome day.
Hey, thank you for the 55 months, brother. Thank you very much, my brother, for the 55 months. Having a rough morning, start to the morning. I'm just a guy that has a scheduled shit. I don't really like to mess with the flow of the morning, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, all good, my bro. And morning, Aniko. We are making a wedding ring box or jewelry box for my wife. So that's what we're up to today. Just drawing the last side, and then we can go from there. So who we're drawing now is Tutanekai. So what we're doing right now is a bit of an arm. So we're just marking the shoulder right now. Yep, we'll be carving the parts I draw. Just wondering how I'm gonna do this, eh? So the one thing about Tutanekai is one thing he's known for is playing his flute. Obviously, the main thing we're going to be implementing into this is his ko'oa, his flute. So I just got to blow my nose. Alright, here we go. I mean, I could use the whole thing, eh? It was nice stopping by, Brox. I hope you have a nice weekend with your family and friends. You too, Zamanro. You have a good one too, my brother. And thank you for dropping in, my bro. Stay healthy and stay happy, my bro. I'm just wondering how I want to do this shit. There's like, I'm thinking of too many things right now. I'm not gonna lie. I've got too much, how do I say it? Got too much formulas going on in my brain. Sorry, Chad, I just really like that song, Oh. Do everything left-handed, so it might be something you've talked about. Oh, I'm left-handed, so yeah, pretty much. Although I am quite versatile in scratching my ass with my right hand. if that counts, I ain't gonna lie. If that counts as what do they call it both again, chat? I can't remember what they call it both. That's those people that use both their hands there. I was like, fucking pick a side, man. We get it. You can use both hands. Simply done and better than fancy unfinished. I always do that myself to a big... Yeah, bro. I feel that, brother. Yeah, so does that count? I hope it does. Ambidextrous. See, look, who the fuck wants to be one of those? Sounds like a bloody dinosaur. Ambidextrosaurus. Choose a fucking side, mate. JK. I'm just being cheeky, ambidextrosaurus people. It's a surprise for your wife. No, because she watches the stream, my bro. On her lunch breaks, so it definitely would not be a surprise. And go with my left foot. How do you say it again? Ambidextrous. Let's be honest, man. If you're one of those, obviously you don't know how to make your damn mind up. I'm joking. You're definitely that guy that can take too long in the goddamn line to get takeout. I'm joking. And then it... You say you're not going to the... Nah, I won't be going to this one, my bro. If they asked me last week, I would have been able to. But it's too much of a sudden change, and I already have plans with my kids today and the weekend, so it's gonna be solely focusing on them. But I did tell them, well, they did ask if I'd be keen to reschedule to be on their podcast at the stadium. I went, yeah, all good. And then I said, oh, can I bring my daughter? And they said, we'll be in touch. I was like, oh, okay. Ngā mihi. Because they got Manly today. Oh, you going to be at the game tomorrow? Eesh. Ooh, what's going on here? Hold on, chat. Did you see any of the news about the waka from the Chathams? Nah, I don't even watch TV, my bro. I always visit the Sharks. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll be honest, bro. I hardly watch TV these days, my bro. I get all my viewing pleasure from streams these days. And if I'm not watching streams, I'm probably just chilling out with my kids as they drive me up the frickin' wall because they don't bloody listen. Little shit tuckies. Yeah, my bad, brother. My bad. Although I did see that, yeah, young fella, discovered a waka. And I think the funny part about it was some people were trying to say, it's a Viking ship. I think it was that one. I'm not too sure. Oh, you're the fella that found it. Oh, cheer, how did you find it, brother? Did you kick the sand and stub your toe, or how did the initial thing happen? Congrats, my bro. Ray! That's the best way to find something, brother. Congratulations, bro. Away, my bro. Congratulations. He's doing his hands, chat. So one thing we have to implement into this, carving is, this core. Taking the dog for a run, couple strange sticks washing down the creek. Oh, true. Is that down in Te Waiponamu, down south? I'm gonna decide to put his flute in his left hand because I'm left-handed. And I'm not an ambidextrosaurus Rex. Although it may look like a burrito. Oh, what up, brother Chef? How you, my bro? Nah, Charamana. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I wasn't too sure. I thought the Moriori might have come this way. Wait, have they? I don't even bloody know. Good, loving the cooler weather. Oh, bro, it's getting nice and cold here too. I hated summer, bro. Although it wasn't actually that bad. It was a bit of a short summer. There you go. That's just the base for, you know, where we're gonna put the flute. It's just where we're gonna put the flute, shit. Was having, oh yeah, nah, typical summer of ours, my bro. So what process are you going through with your discovery, my bro? I would assume you've been contacted by a lot of museums. Disorganized sounds about right, my bro. Again, to fit the flute in. Yeah, my bro, so I'm just putting like a normal thing there. But because I'm an egg that likes to challenge himself, I'm probably going to try and put a face in there, flute too. I'm that guy, bro. I always make life harder for myself when it comes to carving. Bo, bo, bo. Bo, bo, bo. Sorry, chat, I just gotta make sure these bodies be flying the same way. Yeah, bro, I'm that guy, my bro. I was always that guy that tried to, like, back when I was at Tipuya as a student, I always tried to challenge myself every time. That's mainly just, you know, just to see if I could do it. And 90% of the time, it was, yeah, we cracked it. But I hate giving up because that's just me, my bro. I'm from Tuhoi. I'll just say that I'm stubborn. What's up, Meenum? Yeah, I'm just stubborn as, my bro. Hate taking an L when it comes to challenging myself. But if I do, I just, you know, move on. Move on, learn from it. I don't normally like to do things symmetrical, chat, because, you know, for me, when it comes to, like, doing arms and whatnot, they don't have to be symmetrical 24/8 at the time. But you're making, so, I'm making something for my wife. So we're doing, just a jewellery box. Main one being, for our wedding rings. Mine isn't on just because, I'll be honest, I just forgot to put it on today. There's no reason why. So we fully designed it, drew this one up yesterday. So this one just represents Hinemora. Hinemora and Tutanika is kind of like the love story I went with. To those that don't know the Hinemora and Tutanika story, just to speed run you to have a good understanding. It's a Romeo and Juliet love story. However, ours has a happier ending. Okay. So this is Hinemora here. You can see her head, although you can't really see her body due to the bloody part that I haven't, you know, didn't sandpaper. But that'll all come off when we carve it. So we've got her arms here, her legs. In between the legs too, we have hue, a hue there, a hue here, and another one there. So I just decided to use 3 because 3 is kind of the same number you see a lot in Whakairo. It's either 3 or 4. Because like with the fingers of our carvings. So if these 3 fingers are normally represents birth, life and death, there's a 4th finger, it normally represents the afterlife as well. So that's hence the reason why I used 3 hue and filled in the areas, the remaining areas with manaya. So manaya here, manaya there, and along the outer rim we put a lot of manayas around too. But I tried to do it as if they were swimming. And just right around, a bit hard with the bloody light. Yeah, and we're doing the male side today, so this is kind of Tutanekai's side here. So we're currently marking out his body. So the reason why there's 2, it's just, you know, if you look at it either way, you can see his body regardless. So I'm trying to keep everything somewhat the same. Hey, my boy Max, thank you for the biddies, my bro.
My boy IMAX cheered X169.
Thank you very much, good sir. The type of timber, this is Rata. Yeah, so we're working with hard timber this time round. Have not worked with Rata in a bloody hot minute, I'll say. But feels good. I'm trying to go as intricate as possible. Like leave no spots undesigned. And just go all out. It's taken my wife like 9 years to ask for a carving. Hey, what up, Sturdy? How are you, my brother? So just doing a hand. Yeah, so she just asked if I could make her yeah, jewelry box really. And well, I had enough timber just to do one like this. So I'm trying to just go all out with it. Hey, we're just designing this side today. And we would have been carving this one today, but bloody the setup I use for outside is not playing along very well. And the truck's battery is flat for some reason, so you couldn't move that out of the carport. Starting to turn nice around here, so finally able to. Oh yeah. That's right, you had the winter. Yeah, bro, it's just starting to get cold here, which is really good. Looking forward to those frosty mornings carving outside. What a chat. Arikinui. Hold on now, hold up. Hold up. So our main arm is a bit long. Yeah, I got here usually a good 3 months, then we can even go. Yeah, bro, fucking kids were getting the cabin fever yesterday. It's like, Mum, let's go outside. I was like, I'll take you. No! It's like, your fucking mother can't go outside. She's too pregnant. And they're like, it's your fault. That's why I was like, oh, fuck off. Hey, brother, are you busy with the ring holder? Yeah, I'll just join up the other side, my bro. Yeah, so it's my fault that my wife can't play outside. Ever get into stone carving? I did a little bit of it, my bro. It's something I want to get into, though. Maybe when the day comes when me and the whānau have our own whare. But yeah, bro, definitely be keen to explore the other medium. Is that you, my bro? You get into doing a bit of pounamu and goatu? Yes, I'll just do this leg. Sorry, chat. I just throat burped. Oh, yeah. But if there's ever something you want to carry on doing, brother, there's a Stone and Bone school at Te Puia as well. I'd like to go and do it, but I don't want to be that guy because I'm graduated through the carving school, and I don't want to go, you know. Oh, look, I'm back, but I want to learn this now. Man, don't want to be that guy. Although, you know, there's some graduates from the carving school that have done that. It's like, yeah, come on now. me and my brother went through. My younger brother went through the carving school. I think he's back working there. It's like, oh, they're gonna like you there. Why? Because you're a yes man. Dude, that's why they liked you for ages, because all you say is yes. So I just typed my hair up, chat. I was supposed to go and see him today, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I was supposed to go and see him today. I still should though. My old teacher, anyway, has a stone cover. Check out his Instagram, some there stuff looks bloody awesome. Yeah, I will, my bro. One person I'd like to go under is Corey. My brother was telling me he was keen to take some graduates on, but I was like, fuck, I'd so be keen, but I can't go away from the stream too long. Oh, shit. Me tangi noa. Thanks, Scott. Much love to you too, my brother. My man is right into making tables in here. More tables than chairs. Sounds like my grandfather too, he's a bit the same. Oh, good brother Randy. Have a good day, Mahima, bro. Hey, Ralph. How are you, brother, over on YouTube? Oh, this is gonna be a bit of an ask, this face. So you can see both their faces there. Hope you're all enjoying the stream as well, Fano. Thank you very much for being here. Gonna be. O tu no hopu e Oria mai te aroha te akoro Kia hele mutu Te aroha ki a koro Kia te rega Hello there, first name, last name. An iconic gamer username, I must say. Wahirere. Naroha. Alright. I'm on the bloody roll, chat. I'm on a bloody roll. Nick minute. Kia koro e. Te wakane. Hoia hoia hei te wai. Kaboy. Boom. You know what's gonna be hard about the male face? Is doing the moko. That's gonna be the hard part, chat. Let me check my phone real quick. And it's gonna be the hard part, chat. Thank you very much to those that have contributed to the sub goal as well, Whānau. If you want to support the stream by hitting the follow button. If you want to support even more, if you got a cheeky prime in your pocket somewhere, drop it in the stream. It is much appreciated too, Whānau. Ko tatau tia tō tātou mea nei. Come on, chat. Oh. All right. Oh my gosh. Just do the other one now. Morena TikTok. Tēnā koutou. Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora whānau. Kei te pēhea. How we doing, how we doing? Oh, itchy nose, man. Kia ora whānau. Kia ora, morena, morena. Morena tātou. Is that a bowl? We're making a jewellery box. So after 9 years, my wife has finally asked me to carve her something. And we're doing a fully designed... Oi! Clicks, thank you for the galaxy, brother, and Cash, thank you for the roses. So we're doing a fully designed... let me point this camera up here. So we're doing a fully designed jewellery box. And what I'm trying to depict here is the story of Hinemoa and Tutanekai, obviously, you know, being for my partner. Trying to do a love story. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Proven on YouTube? Kia ora, brother. How's your day been? Oh, bro, my morning is a bit rough. But, it's all good. Thank you very much, Aiden and Clicks and Murdered Flaco. Kia ora, kia ora. Nah, I'm all good, I'm all good. Yeah. I'm that guy, bro. I like to have a nice flowing morning. Planned out, man. You play Marvel Rivals? I haven't in a little while. I've just been enjoying WoW Classic more. Yeah, I've just been enjoying hardcore more, bro. Love your mahi. Hey, cheer brother Shock. Hey, love your mahi, my bro. Kia ora, my bro. If you're wondering what I'm listening to, chat, it's just Matatini. Hold on, chat. Marking out one of the 3 people trying to co-host something. No, thank you. Oh, I'm good. Bro, are you fasting? No, I just had a big shit this morning. Then I started fasting. I'm a certified morning shitter, chat. Okay, leave me alone. Sorry guys, if you're new here, I'm a bit of a joker as well. Well, I try to be. Not a Heath Ledger one, no, just, you know, father of 3. Alright. Fuck, that's a lot of carving, bro, in this small thing. My days, oh my days. Everyone's like, look at him concentrating. One moment, chat. Let me cook, as the young people would say. Oh, cooked too much. Hold on. So we can see like there. I'm just marking out what I'm doing. Going to homegrown, brother. I'm 33 years old and I hate being around noisy people. No. So that's all right too. Thank you very much, Otto. Nah, I don't know. Bro, what was the last concert I went to? I don't even know, bro. Yeah. No, I don't do concerts anymore, brother. Not even the Fortnite ones. Jacob Fatu. What is it? He's my favourite though. I like Jacob Fatu. He's cool. I hope he gets a good singles push this year. Yeah, I hope he gets a good solo push this year. Gonna be sad if he don't get his own match at Mania. But I feel like it's gonna be him and Braun. Tattoo, thank you, brother. On your sleeve, Boboy. Kiwihi. You done it when I turned 30. So that was the main reason why I got it too. You know, saying goodbye to my 20s. Another chapter in life is starting. Yeah, that was the main reason why I got it. So it represents my family, to those that are about to ask. Represents my family, where I'm from, and Whakairo. I like your accent, gang. Hey, thank you very much, man. Gang. gang. He's up A-Town. Yeah. Get somebody down the rain. Down the road. Oh, nice, my bro. Appreciate you, my bro. Everyone always does the, can you do the Korg accent? Nah, I don't want to. Yo, you're that dude. Hey, brother. How are you? Hold on, Sheldon's having a bit of grief with this bloody eye. I'm just doing that. We're doing a Koruru, so it's a bit looking a bit whack at the moment. What the hell just happened to the PC? Are we still live? Oh yeah, we are. I think. Are we? Everything just stopped. You could make... Yeah, I could. I actually want to do some Tonga Puoro this year. If I have the timber, I'm going to do a Whakairo. Is he gaming? No, I'm live on Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok. They're all watching. You're all watching the same thing. Yeah, I was supposed to be carving outside today, but the setup I used to stream outside is playing right up. And yeah, it's not the best feeling, but hey, we'll still get a stream in. Love your work attitude. Hey, appreciate you on the original. Thank you, brother. Over on YouTube, what are you making? Hey, fully... I'm trying to go as intricate as possible. And what we're currently doing is, yeah, just trying to do a jewellery box for my wife. Obviously, the main focal point will be the bloody wedding ring. But I'm just drawing a lot of the carving around it right now. Thank you, NZ, for NZL for the galaxy and camping for the roses. Oh, camping pirate. Sorry, brother. These fellas are gonna make my voice run out fast. How you, brother? Social? I shall look with you, bro. Yeah. Oh, bro. My Twitch doesn't pop off as much as it used to, brother, so we are utilising all the other platforms too. Kia ora Tanon, Shik, and Shik as well. Yo, Jack, thank you for gifting a sub as well, my bro, over on Twitch. If you got there, can you please give the bro a thank you? And Lil Gab... Hey, hold on, let me say that one. Little Gabagool. Thank you very much, Gabagool. The goddamn Gabagool of flyer. Sup, mama? Tist King. Testosterone? Yeah, what up, Hank? It's 3:13 at night. You should 3:13 your goddamn ass to bed. Fuck. How do you stay up so late? I'd hate everyone if I was tired. I'd be in that don't talk to me. I don't know how you stay up. Hey, what up, Paige? Yeah, so we just did all of that. Thank you, Dix. So we're gonna fully design all of this. Hey, Hank. So we just finished that. Just finishing this there as well, Twitch and YouTube. Just doing all of that. Hold up. Jack Harvey, thank you for the roses, my bro. Appreciate all the aroha whānau. Man will always be relevant. Oh, as long as you know everyone's all good here. Yo, Scottish Psycho, thank you for the 5 bomb over on Twitch, my bro. Hey, thank you very much, brother. If you did get a gifted sub on Twitch, can you please say thank you? If you don't, you get gout in your tailbone till you say so. Till you say thank you. Imagine lying on your stomach for the rest of your life and not saying thank you. That's how you make them say thank you. My soul has healed. My soul has healed by seeing your face again. Now I want you to walk to the fridge. Even if it's 12 p.m. at night, go to the fridge, get you something to eat, eh? There's no harm at taking a journey to the fridge at 12 a.m. onwards at night. I did it last night. I have no regrets. And if you're feeling bad, I want you to go to your stereo. If you're feeling bad, go to your stereo, turn it up to full volume, and I want you to play Venga Boys. Boom, 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 boom. I don't care if it's 3 a.m. You'll get in trouble, not me. I'm joking. Go to bed. You're pretty. What is that do? I can't do it. Beard's in the way. You sell your creations here, Uzo? I do, my brother. Obviously this one's not for sale, it's for my wife. It'd be a damn crime if I made her pay for it. I mean, I would just to be smart, but she'd tell me to fuck up. Polynesian women. Loves the fridge mission. Hey, my boy. Hey. See, the bird knows. He's one of my favorite humans on the planet. Yo, Andrew McCoy. Posing like it's 2001. Playboy peace sign. That's what all the cringe lords used to do, eh? With their hair over here. I look back on those posts, bro, and I was like, oh my god, bunch of idiots. If you lived it up in 2000, you know what I'm talking about. Or was it later? You know, when everyone started wearing colourful clothes. I was one of those idiots. Me too, my brother. Y'all should have seen me with my bolt cut phase, bro. My hair had to be swiping that way. Oh. If I could go in time to see myself wearing that, I know it would probably be illegal, but I'd probably just bonk myself on the forehead. It's like, don't dress like that, that's cringe. Anyway, is there anyway? Hey, what's up, brother? Top 3 comments. What does that mean? What's top 1? Yo, thank you. Rickism. Oh gosh, I don't. Did I say that right? Oh, sorry, brother. I think I may have said it wrong. Thank you for the 100 roses, bro. What the hell? Thank you, brother. Realistic combat sound mod. Oh, okay. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, bro. The reason why I said Rickism, bro, because I thought it was another R word that's bad, you know? That has sism in it. I'm sorry, bro. I'm not good with code words. You gotta tell me the whole word. I was like, oh, nah, can't be that. I get that a lot at school. Oh, brother. Oh, my bro. Ardian, thank you very much. Sorry I got itchy nose check. My mo hairs need to be trimmed. Because they're straight going up my nose. Ardian, thank you very much for the aloha, man. Also, chat, just so you know, if you're watching on any other platforms right now, I'm not going to be eating in front of the camera all month. I mean, I don't do it either. I'm not really one who follows the Ramadan, but I'm not out here trying to eat in front of the people that are, you know. Just out of respect for the people that do it. I do it every year, chat, you know, even though I don't, you know, partake in Ramadan. I don't want to eat in front of the camera while people are fasting, you know, when it comes to their culture. Thank you for the penguins, P. Reminds me of Big Z. Do you sell your work? I do. At the moment my commissions is full. Oh, jeez. Do you do custom requests? I only do Whakairo, my bro. Main reason why I don't accept custom requests, everyone in the Twitch chat knows it. I've received too many emails by some absolute pests, and I say that as well, asking me to carve anime characters, females, with no clothes on. It's like, oh, how down bad are you, bro? Yeah, that's why I never accept custom requests. It's only ever Whakairo, pretty much. Bro. Aisele is right, bro. Bro, you'd be surprised. I could honestly use those emails as content, but I don't want to be that guy, you know? Yeah, I don't want to be that guy, you know? Thank you, Violet and Mark. Nami nui korua. Hold on, chat. What are you making? A jewelry box for my wife. It's our 1 year anniversary next year. Next week. Yeah, wedding anniversary next week. 1 year. Bro, the time definitely flew by. I'm not gonna lie. And the following month we welcome our third child into the world, which will most likely be our last one too. 3 is a nice number. Any plans to make Majora's Mask? I won't lie, I am pretty keen to do that. It's just a matter of trying to, find the time to do so. Oh, we're still getting over my flu. When your kids think it's funny to just cough in your face, oh my gosh. Okay, where are we? Just making sure. Hey, what's up, front end? How are you, my brother? Sadly, I got the flu. Yeah, bro. Soon as my daughter coughed in my face, I'm like, bruh, I'm gonna get it for sure. And then, sure enough, I got it. So you see there? So that's Tutanekai, where I'm gonna carve Tutanekai and his flute that he used. Just turning it around. Manaya on this side. So we've got all the main stuff done. We've got all the main stuff done, which is good. Bro, when we carve this, because I'm going to try and... well, the plan for me, personally, is to try and do longer hours. What's up, Nakura? How are you? Thank you very much, Chris Swatman. Thank you, brother. So there's a lot of work in such a little thing. I won't lie, I was keen to make it smaller, but my wife wanted me to make it a bit bigger. Thank you, soccer ball. Cheers, brother. Oh, dead, sorry. Let me just get a sharpener real quick. Got a sharpener, chat. Putting sharpener back. Hello, brother, from another mother. Hope you're having a blessed day. What's up, brother Jason? Katie boy, my bro. Katie boy. Been busy, and I've been staying up late. Main reason I've been staying up lately, though, is just to get my body used to late nights again. For my wife's sake, so I can stay up late when baby wakes up. When she's here. Yeah, that's the initial plan for when my daughter arrives. Just to try and stay up as late as possible. Bro, so happy and joyous, I'm jealous. Oh, just had a good day. Having a good day. Had an even better shit this morning. You know? I ain't lying. I try not to worry about a lot of things, bro, you know? And I guess being able to do what I love every day is a contributing factor to that. And also, my kids as well. They're probably the strongest, individuals I know that can, you know, pull me out of any bad day. They don't even know it, but that's just the power children have. When was the last time you got a bad day? Last week, because I had a sore back. But because I was stubborn, I carried on streaming. May have gotten worse, but I streamed the next day anyway. Chuck the pencil in the bin. She's the guy that lives in Australia. Bloody Kupapa. Watch out for that fella, chat. Fella's a triple agent. How you, my bro? 5-star. Thank you for the rose. I need to go blow my nose, chat. Man's getting the snot build up. Oh, my nose is clear for now. Do you want a lion? No, they will literally kill me. Why would I have a bloody lion? Although I have hugged a cub one. Hey, user 0980. Doing well. It's a project of yours looking good. Yeah, my bro. I actually have a pet lion. Okay, this guy lives in Dubai, 100%. Or in South Africa. Yo, DJ Ernie G. Thank you very much for the galaxy, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Kia ora, Police NZ. How are you? Yo, you're awesome. Sorry about the Big Tony. Hey, look at my Big Tony. Big Tony OG. Alright now. Roasting people on TikTok. Oh, no. Do you tell them to blow on the pie, my bro? You're my idol. I'll try and be the best example I can be, brother. Once again, I'm not invincible to a bad day, but you know, at the same time, I try not to let it show. You know. Nice potato. Cheers, brother. So we were just drawing up all the carvings that we're going to be doing. There's a lot. There's a lot. Thank you very much, Mazakzini. Did I say that right? And Marco as well. Nami nui kōrua. I'm just wondering how I'm going to do this. Oh, what's up, little nightmare? Worried about a beautiful day, right? Yeah, not too bad, my bro. Should be doing washing, I ain't gonna lie, but I'll just take the growling this afternoon. Just take the growling from the wife. Oh, yeah. Suspicious toe activity. Godspeed there, sir. Godspeed. Oh, I don't even know what design I'm gonna do, chat. Brother, your PS5 is upside down. I'll be honest, bro, I haven't used it in ages. It's all good. Just haven't had time for games. I've just been lifing. How you learn that also? Well, my uncle introduced me to Whakairo at the age of 12. And I've been carving ever since, learning new things to this day. And now I am 33. Yeah. Why is TikTok telling me to co-host people? Is that new? I'm curious. I know on Maori TV there's a translation thingy. I just can't remember where it is. Will you start carving today? Probably tomorrow. I'm gonna try and carve tomorrow. It kind of depends if my mum can watch the kids. I don't usually like to carve if, you know, I don't really like carving if my kids are home because, you know, my attention belongs to them if they're home on the weekend. But I think they want to go for a run tomorrow, so I'll probably go do that. Yo, Terminator, thanks for the 58 months, my bro. Our community paramedic is back. How are you, my bro? Hope you're well. Really happy that you get to do the things you love. Thank you, Abhinav. It's all because of you guys. Reddit stories, thank you very much for the, is that oh, money gun. Thank you. I couldn't find the word as to what it was saying in Hawaiian low. Oi, Reddit story, thank you very much for the galaxy, man. Thank you very much, man. Sorry for coughing so much as well, chap. Thank you, Reddit story, for the good morning as well. Oh my days. And Manawas as well. Thank you very much, Reddit stories. Let me just do this design chat. Hello, Echoless, how are you, brother? All the way from Canada on YouTube. Kia ora, my bro. Just putting in a design. Why are you the best streamer, G? I'll never claim that. Thank you for the kind words though, brother. I think we all know who the big streamer is, my brother. Think we'll have a rest from drawing, eh? Far out. Oh. Kia ora koutou. Let's have a rest from drawing for a bit. Any tips on how to get into carving? Just get some timber and some tools within price range and start. That's about it. That's all you have to do, really, brother. Hi YouTube, hey Twitch, how we doing? Didn't have simultaneous on all three platforms. Yeah, my bro. All these days I kind of have to. I can't solely rely on Twitch anymore because streams aren't as big as they used to be. But I knew that was gonna happen down the road anyway. But yeah, why not utilize the other platforms that we have in the process too? What about any mahi? Yeah, I've just been drawing up the next one. So I've been drawing this up. So we're gonna be fully designing this for my wife. Hey, little nightmare, how you? Almost 5 years soon. Yeah, bro, it's my streamer anniversary next year. Or next month, next year. I don't have anything planned. Main reason why I don't is because my daughter should be here next month around that time, and so I've been trying to figure out how to navigate that pretty much. Because I don't want to do like a celebration or subathon day and I have to go because my wife's in labour pretty much. So there's that as well. Yeah, I'll see what happens. Maybe we'll just have a normal celebration day. If I can't plan anything special. Yo, Zach Moran, thank you very much for the roses, my brother. Hello from Brazil. Kia ora. How we over in Brazil, my dude? What's your favorite piece you ever carved? Pretty much all of them, brother. There's not really one I like more than the rest. I guess a project that is pretty close to my heart as well is we had to replicate the amo at Mātātua in Whakatane. And that was a big deal for myself because not only is that my kids' ancestral meeting house, it's it's gonna be there for my grandkids to enjoy, and my greats, and well and truly my family that turns up after I'm well and truly gone. Hey, Brock's Reddit stories came from TikTok. Oh, Churn Jack. Oh, your Reddit stories. Thank you very much for the galaxy, brother, and all the other gifts too. You missed the roses. Oh, my bad. Let me go back. Thank you very much, Zach, for the donut. And thank you very much to Ols for the 20 roses. I'm just going back some more just in case. And Zach Moran for the 15 roses. And Cal with the roses and the ice cream as well. Sorry about that. When you were blowing up and I thought I'd check you back in here, and I'm glad to see you still at it. I have to leave, but I wanted to say I always love you and hope you continue to find success. Appreciate you, Echo. Thank you, brother. Oh, coughing, man. It's annoying. Kia ora, bro. Just wanted to drop in and say hi. Hope you're having a great day. It's almost my birthday and I'm stuck at work. Oh, my brother. What an abura. Alfie, thank you very much for the roses. Can't stop, eh? Can't stop and never break. Can't stop and never break, eh? Let me just get this design done, chat. Much love there, Joseph. Hey, getting sicker. Nah, still getting over my sickness. Hey. Was my little one there coughed in my face heaps 2 weeks ago. Thank you, Ols, for the roses once again. Nami, hey, Gilith, cheer, my brother. Thank you very much, Gilith, for the 52 months. Sorry, Chad, I was just watching something. Nami, nui ki a koe. I should really have a break instead of trying to do this design. God. Thank you very much. Oh, Jack Milne. Thank you very much for the brand new tier 1, my brother. Cheers for smashing out a little bit of the sub goal today, whānau. Appreciate the aroha, whānau. Cheers, Zion. The cold mornings and hot afternoon. Yeah, bro. Hard. Sorry, I'll stop and talk to you guys. I'll put the carving away over here. Kia ora, Dominic. Tēnā koe. I want to learn your culture so bad. We got a lot of polys in Washington, but not many friends. Oh, really? You're from Ruatahuna, aye? I am from Ruatahuna. You're from Rua, eh, Ahuriri? Are you just gonna carve that on your disc? Nah, outside. Fuck, nah, I'm not gonna carve on here. Make a bloody mess. Brother, also listen, my song, I got 10 for you. I don't have Cash App, so yeah, don't worry about it. What's your song about? You ever heard of Mad Maggie? Yeah, actually, I got commissioned by Apex to carve a carving of Mad Maggie. Or I should say Auntie Maggie. And we raised funds for it, and we gave it to charity. Yeah. Yo, Jack Milne, thank you very much for the 100 biddies, my bro. Yeah, that was cool. Oh, again. Yo, Jack Milne, brother. I haven't played Apex in a long time since she got released. How is the game nowadays? I heard it's riddled with, like, hackers or cheaters these days. It's really bad. Oh, really? Fuck, yeah, I remember when that game used to pop off, bro. Gonna sneeze. Waiting. Thought I was gonna sneeze. Bro, you need to experience the Undermine. I know, bro. I heard it's pretty mean. I'm so fixated on getting 60 in hardcore, though, but any boosters? Anyone want to boost me to 60 so we can try Undermine? Hold on, chat. 500 roses for you, my king. If you can react brutally honest. Oh, well, what happened? Don't worry about the roses, but I'll react anyway. What you want to say? Is OnlyFans still going? OnlyFans is ending soon, so they're getting ready for BWL. But pretty much once that's over, OnlyFans is over. That's one thing I miss about OnlyFans is the social aspect of it all. Everyone's kind of like not in it anymore. Where are we? Yo, man, I'm tired in my head. Bro, you should have been in bed ages ago. Jack Milne, thank you very much for the biddies, my bro. Appreciate the auto high, and you have a good sleep, my bro. Can you tell me what Vano means? Vano means family. Family means nothing. Yeah, that's all it means. That's just what I like to call everyone here. It's gotta go blow my nose, shit. I hate being sick. It is annoying because I'm old. Okay, my nose is clear. You and me both, sister. Kia ora, Nomad. Whānau? Yeah, so W, H, and L language is an F. R and H, thank you very much for the raid of 2, brother. And 1991 gamer, W name right there. So W name right there, my brother. Only because I'm a 90s baby too. So you know I gotta support the brother. Nice power merch, bruh. Thank you, bruh. Nice power merch, bruh. Still in anythings, or did those fellas give you the chop? No, I'm still in anythings. They only give you the chop if you're a freaking idiot or you're a weirdo. You only get G kicked if you're inactive. But OnlyFans is ending soon. Okay, once they do BWL, then it's well and truly over. Oh shit! Oh. How do you pronounce your name? Brox. The H is just there to look cool. Pretty much. Yeah, it's just there to look cool, brother. That's about it. Shit. Always wanted to go to New Zealand? Oh, one day, brother. It's still here. Right, here we go. Got a PFK. Yeah, we're just in just sorting the design now right now, so nothing too crazy. One, two, three, four. Four. Hold on, shit. Went a bit too fine with these lines. Charles, have a good one, my bro. Just for tuning in today too, brother. So to Twitch and YouTube, and if you can hear this haka, it's talking about how bad AI is for our culture. Are you the famous guy? Not really. No, pretty average. Sure, bro. You ever been to a powwow? Nah, I'd like to go to one day though. If I ever get the chance to, and you know, things I have to do in life, commitments don't, you know, line up, and I have the opportunity to go to one, I probably will. What you working on today? We're just making jewelry box for my wife. Well, mainly for her wedding ring. What I should be... This isn't really our anniversary gift. It's our wedding anniversary next week. And I'll be honest, I still don't know what to get. She wants to go traditional, and apparently we start off with paper. Yeah, we start off with paper first or something. And then the next year's, oh, I don't know, I've already forgotten. Sure, brother Ed. I always cringe when I see Maori put up culture through... Yeah, bro. That's fucking cringe, bro. I'm not a fan when people, you know... What makes it even worse is when you see those Maoris that say, I drew it in. Bro, that's AI as fuck. From Libya. Have you ever been to Australia? I've been to Sydney and Melbourne. I got invited to go back to Sydney next month, but I had to say no. Because my daughter's going to be here next month. Yeah, I didn't really like Sydney. It was too busy for me. Melbourne I did like though. Melbourne was nice. You ever been into rugby, by the way? Yeah, I've been watching rugby for like years, brother. Cheers, 7. Cheers, brother Ed. How are you, my bro? Yeah, coming along, Bob. Oh, pretty much all the drawings done, eh? Royalty. I don't know if I do want to do a design on the bottom of this. We'll see. Shopkeeper gone frozen. Big summer blower. What did you call me? Big summer blowout? So all of that is going to get cut out. This is going to have to be pretty thick. Check. And that's done. Quality. Any tips for carving wood against the grain? Don't go against it. Go with or go across. So for example, if you're going to keep going across the grain, it's going to lift and lift and lift. And then there's this big piece of timber that's going to come off that you can't get back. So the best thing to do is go with or go across it. So go with the grain or carve across it. Yeah, carve across it. Don't go against. You don't want to be going against the grain, brother. No, 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 no. Well, the drawing's done. Pretty much. That was pretty fast, I'm gonna lie. Pretty easy. You all know how I am when it comes to Whakairo chat. The design may change along the way too. Majority of the time, yeah, it'll probably change. Yeah, it'll most likely change along the way. Like nothing's ever really set in stone or in timber. Till it's done. Oh, you're a big rugby fan. Name 3 rugbies. Super Rugby. World Cup Rugby. Is that what you mean? Brandon and the sun, all good. Little Nomi, have a good one, man. Yeah, well, that's done, finally. I might actually finish the YouTube stream shortly. So we've got all the drawing done. It's just a matter of, you know, getting into carve it all now. Yo, Patrick Santos, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my bro. Thank you everyone contributing towards the daily old goal too, or sub goal. If you have a bit of a cheeky Optimus Prime and use it here, it is much appreciated too. Oh, here we pretty much smashed it out. I kind of want to move to New Zealand, but I feel odd. The like, I'd feel odd about the like colonial vibes. Oh, bro, that's been here since. It's been here for multiple years, man. Don't be weird about it. It's just, you know, the only people that are being weird about it are the ones that actually like to express it. I was thinking of holding, so my wife asked me to carve her a jewellery box, or a carved one by myself, so I fully just drawn all the design up that we're going to do. Yeah, we just done our design, and we just got to bang it out now. Pretty much. See you later, dude. Chat. Always have a good one. What are we on our daily sub goal? 13 out of 33. Thank you very much for the aroha, guys. Yeah, so we'll probably carve it out. Probably carve it out if I can tomorrow. I thought you were crying for a second. No, got nothing to cry about. You got nothing to cry about, my bro. I think the only feeling I'm feeling right now is hunger. How's life, mate? Busy, my bro. Thank you, Ols. Thank you very much, brother. Busy, my bro. Like, real busy. Thank you, Bean. YouTube and TikTok I may finish up soon. I don't want to, you know, keep you here for too long than you need to be. So I want to say thank you very much for all the aroha today to YouTube as well and to TikTok. Nā mihi nui kia koutou I runga i a TikTok as well. Thank you very much. Lost with the Galaxy. Oh no, I feel rude that I'm finishing the TikTok stream. It's a joy being here. Thank you, cool guy. I'm probably going to keep Twitch here for a little bit longer before I eventually go. But I want to say thank you very much, 3Z. Thank you for the rose too. I'll see you if I can stream tomorrow. We'll try and go live on TikTok and Twitch for the design phase of this carving. But we'll see how we go. For now, ngā mihi nui kia koutou, aroha nui, love to you, YouTube and